Well, tubers, this is that 86, 87 Dodge. Anyway, today's the first day I really got to take a look at it. So I'm making a list of the parts I need, which is a fuel pump. It's bad. And, yeah. See that? Yeah. That's all from this truck, and it's all transmission fluid. Yeah, it's just leaking out like a sieve. The truck ain't even running. Yeah, and it's a trifle bit over full. Yeah, just a trifle bit. In the color, yes, additives have been added to it. And yeah. And he says the valve covers are leaking, but I crawled underneath the truck and the whole other side of the truck is just covered in fluid. And personally, I think that it's, yeah, that there power steering unit. Yeah, I checked the fluid, it's plumb empty. So I'm pretty sure that's what all the fluid's coming from under the truck. I mean, the exhaust is just covered, the freaking training pan's leaking like a sieve. And I think to begin with, I'm just going to order a filter kit for it and a fuel pump. And once I pull that pan, I'll see what it looks like in there. Yeah. And yeah. Off we go to get parts. Well, folks. Yeah, this is what the training looks like inside. Yeah, it's, yep. Anyway, we're going to, yeah, rig it, fix it, I mean, yeah, oh yeah, yeah, get this truck out of here and go on.